Well, hello out there. So today I did a speech earlier today in Toastmasters. I was wearing a different dress and I was going to post that. But I changed when I got home because I can, which is nice about working for yourself and working from home. So I wanted to tell you about fake it till you make it. And that's what my speech was about. How to do it the right way, how to do it the wrong way, when to use it, when not to use it. I'm not going to give you my whole speech because you need to be there and you need to see me speak and do it again. I probably will do it again next week at my Toastmasters, Kate Spring Toastmasters, because I need to work on it. Today I did it with no cards, and I probably could have done without. So next week I'm going to try without because I could have, but I liked having them for today and I liked using them. So today I gave a story on how to do it the wrong way, how I have done it the wrong way. If you want to fake it to make it with confidence, that is the right way. If you're trying to work on the inside, internally feeling something not quite feeling, if you want to feel more confident, more courageous, a little more happy, sometimes you can smile. And actually physically smile can make you feel a little better inside, you know? You could do a power pose, which is like standing up like this, chest out like Superman, hands on hips and all that. And if you do that for 2 minutes, exactly, at least 2 minutes, in the middle of 2 minutes, your body chemistry will actually change and you will be more confident and bolder and more aggressive. You actually shrink and you make yourself small, like at a meeting or at an interview or at an employee review. You'll actually lose confidence and feel less bold, and stuff around being less bold. So if you know that you're going to go to a meeting later, or if you're going to have a employee review, do that. If you're in the middle of one, you could still make yourself bigger for a power pose. One of the ways to do it the wrong way is to try to convince things externally. Try to get other people to think things about you that isn't true, that has nothing to do with you internally. If you want people to impress people for the wrong reasons and it's not actually true, like for example, pretending to know a foreign language when you don't actually know it. Pretending to know Excel during a job interview when you don't actually know it and you think you can swing it. Another way is to buy fancy cars, houses you can't afford, spending money on things you can't afford, like Rolex watches and purses that you actually, really shouldn't be spending, but you want to impress others because you want them to think something about you that isn't true. It's the wrong way to do it. To fake competency. The point of fake it till you make it, which not everybody likes that term, is to sort of for the confidence thing. So it's not just I feel more confident, I feel more confident, I feel more confident, I feel more confident, I feel more confident. Yes, made that work a little bit, but really the point is to take action step. So I want to feel more confident. I don't just mantra and say and repeat a bunch of things, repeat it over and go. And you got to take a step. You say, well, I'll talk to people when I feel more confident. Networking, when I'm in a group setting. What you do to feel more confident and to do something that a confident person would do, you take action. You go up and walk up to somebody and do something that a confident person does. And that's how you build your confidence. You can't just say, when I feel it, well, I will eventually, or I'm the confident person. If you just repeat that in your head, maybe it'll eventually work. But really, the key is to take action steps. Do something courageous when you want to feel courage. Smile when you want to feel better. You can even listen to music to lift your mood. That can be faking it till you make it. You can wear clothes for the job you want versus the job you have, which is sometimes I like to dress up. I don't need to dress at home, but I like the idea of dressing and speaking in front of people. So I dress up for if I was on stage speaking in front of people. So sometimes that's why I'm really dressed up and it's just a room full of people and then I go home. Because I like it to be a bigger room of people. Anyways, if you know what I mean by the old adage, fake it till you make it, and if you agree or disagree, or if you used it, or maybe if you used it in the wrong way, which is spending money or pretending things that aren't real, so that external, you can try to influence your environment externally, that's the wrong way. And if you did do it the wrong way, own it. And that's fine. That's fine too. Because you can move forward. Thank you so much.